Hi Drastic Cuties, Wendy here. It's fan art time, but today we're going to be doing a little bit different. Instead of just showing you regular fan mail art that I get, I wanted to finally show you fan art that I get via email or Instagram. I'm sorry it's taken so long for me to put this together, and there's just so many, and I'm sorry for the ones that I couldn't put on there, but hopefully you love seeing the ones that I am showing today. And I just want to thank you cuties for always emailing me and posting on Instagram and sharing your beautiful art with me. I really love them. Before I show you all the fan art, I wanted to share something really sweet with you that I received via email. This is from Iris, and she's a really big fan of mine. Thank you, Iris. She was sweet enough to write me a poem that I felt I had to share with you because it was just so amazing. So here is her poem, and it goes, "So many people love Draw So Cute, it definitely makes me smile. It's art, it's cute, it's fun. It is always worth the while. You're so good at drawing, way better than me. Your videos are the best cute how to draw there will ever be." So sweet, right? Thank you so much, Iris, for writing me that poem, and I hope you get to see this fan art video and see that I did share your poem and that I really loved it. Okay, so before I blah on more and more, let's look at all these beautiful fan art. So there, hope you love seeing all these beautiful fan art, and once again, thank you Drastic Cuties for always taking the time and making the effort to show me your fan art. I really love them. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love Draw So Cute, Please remember to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.